Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Agnes, and as some of you may know, I've been to Egypt, and that vlog from Egypt will be published in a few weeks, sometime in February. But today I am coming to you with a haul, Egyptian food and other items haul. So I hope you will really enjoy watching what I brought back with me from Egypt. And before we start, it would totally make my day if you subscribe and help my channel grow. So, Egyptian food and other items haul. Let's start. First off, let's say that I think the most worth thing to bring back from Egypt are things to eat, mostly, and some things like cosmetics, maybe a piece of clothing, so that's what I'm showing you today. So, first off, what I brought from Egypt is hibiscus leaf tea. It's in ancient Egypt, pharaohs loved hibiscus and started to use it already in ancient Egypt as a tea. And hibiscus tea has a lot of good properties. It's good to lower your cholesterol. It's antibacterial, helps with the immune system, relaxing, helps if you have a cold. So it has a lot of good benefits and very easy and cheap to get in Egypt. Next is Arabic coffee. It's coffee with cardamom added. I don't know if it's specific for Egypt, but certainly for all Arabic countries. You can get it in Syria and Saudi Arabia and so on. It smells so good, and I love just coffee with cardamom. This is mainly for my husband, but I drink sometimes as well. So, next thing that I brought back from Egypt is halva. I think most of you know what it is. If you don't know, you have to check out, but it's basically sesame paste, tahina, mixed with sugar and other stuff. We love this here, and my mom loves this as well. In Egypt, you eat halva on bread. You could actually see me eating pita bread with halva in my previous vlog when I just came back from Egypt. I eat halva by itself, maybe have a small cup of coffee to it, sometimes with bread as well. Sometimes you can get halva with different tastes and additions like cacao or chocolate and other stuff, but this is pure halva. Ooh, that is heavy. Broad bean, dry broad bean. Something you can actually not get here in Poland, even though we grow broad bean and you can get it fresh in summertime, but not dry, and it's very expensive here, but very, very cheap and popular in Egypt. You eat it on bread as a paste, broad bean paste. You boil it and eat it warm or cold. Christians in Egypt, Copts, they fast a lot in Egypt, so during fasting they don't eat meat or eggs, so they would eat lots of hummus and broad bean and other beans. So we love this as well. Honey. I am a big lover of honey. When I travel to other countries, I always want to try honeys from other countries, as my parents as well. Bola loves honey. All of us love honey. This is from different flowers. Unfortunately, it doesn't say which flowers, but honey harvested from Egyptian flowers. It's very sweet. I tried it, so it's very, very sweet. Last, when it comes to sweets, are these small pieces, just different things. This is an almondy thing with nuts inside. Another one. Some candies with rose flavor. Something looking like that. It's also with honey and very sweet. And lastly, a little thing that you use as a chewing gum. It's made from resin, very natural. It has a very resiny flavor from gum, from resin, natural chewing gum. Oh, a seed fell out. Natural, I don't know what you call it, loaf, lufa in Egyptian, in Arabic. It grew on my husband's parents' plot, a loofah tree. I will insert a picture of how it looks like, and you will see more of it in my Egyptian vlog, so stay tuned. But I've brought it back. It's drying here, laying out to dry, and I'm going to use this as a peeling. It's a natural body peeling. It's a natural washing sponge, or whatever you may call this. I have a few of those. I'm very excited to use them. They are still drying, so and they have seeds inside, so I could actually grow them here if I managed. And when you are in Egypt, you should also bring back some essential oils, which I have here. So, starting with rose oil, natural rose oil, which I am mainly going to use in my air purifier, I think, which I also showed in my previous vlog. But I may use it for other things as well. They had lots of oils there, so I really recommend to bring back. So, rose oil. Next one is argan oil. It's great for your skin, it's anti-aging, so I think I'm going to use it only for my skin, as an evening facial cream, facial moisturizer. You can get it in Europe as well, argan oil, but it's cheaper there. We also have resin oil, which is, I think, castor oil, called castor oil in English, made from resin, which actually grows in Egypt. It's a tree as well. And I'm going to use it for my brows and eyelashes to make them grow. You can also use it for other things, so you can check it out. We also have a jasmine oil, which I'm mostly going to use as a perfume, as an essential oil for air purifying, and for my skin as well. Maybe as a body oil. It's good if you have some skin problems, and it smells divinely. And I can show how they look like. Small bottles with oil and small instruction as well. Lastly, we have camphor oil, and camphor oil is also a tree that grows in Egypt. I may insert another picture, and it has warming properties. It's good for colds, for sinuses, for coughs. If you have pains, to put, to rub it in. If you have, I don't know, knee pains or any other pains, I'm going to use it for my chest, for my sinuses. It's also wonderful. I also got a dress of sorts, a very traditional Arabic dress, but I think I will leave it for another time, show you maybe in a vlog sometime in the future. This was all when it comes to what I brought from Egypt. Maybe my husband will bring something more, I will see. And I hope this was interesting to you and enjoyable. And if it was, make sure you're subscribed. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in my next video, and I wish you all a wonderful day. Bye.